Welcome. If you want to connect Baseus Encok W07 earphones to your Apple Watch, at the first you have to enter for the settings on your Apple Watch. So let's go with the settings, then tap on the Bluetooth, and as you can see, Bluetooth is activated, so it's very important. Next we have to grab charging case of our earphones, then we have to open it and then just take a look on the list. If there are going pops on the list, you have to simply tap on them. If it is not going to happen, I will show you next steps how we can move these earphones to the pairing mode. So let's wait a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, they are not on the list. So what we have to do, we have to rotate the case. Here we get the button, and we have to click and hold this button and just take a look on the indicator. Click hold. When it's blinking on the blue color, it means that the earphones are in the pairing mode. So keep holding. Right now we can release our finger, and after a few moments they are appear on the list. So we have to simply click here to connect. And as you can see, right now they are connected. So when we put one of this earphone to the ear, we can hear this characteristical connection sound. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!